So over here you can see that I have an image of two apples, and let's say what I want to do is I want to make selection to them. So in that case you can go around over here onto the pixel mode, because this is a pixel image that is a photograph, and then in order to go ahead and quickly select it, I can utilize something called the selection brush tool. So to do that, over here on the left hand side you can go ahead and choose the selection brush tool. Go ahead and click and hold this, and you can see that the second option is selection brush tool. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I have the add option selected right here. So if I were to go ahead and click and drag, you can see that it actually goes ahead and snaps to the edges right here, just like this, of places where there is contrast right here. Similarly, I can go ahead and click and drag out right here on this particular apple shape right here, and you can see that I got to selection. I can even go ahead and subtract right here to go ahead and remove out the selection right here, or you can go ahead and change this out by by drawing out as well. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the width right here to change the size of the brush as you want as well. So right now I only have one layer, but if you have multiple layers and you want to make a selection based on multiple layers itself, you can go ahead and choose all layer right here. And if you want soft edges so that it's not very harsh, you can go ahead and use the soft edges mode as well. So once you do this, the selection is there, and now you can go ahead and refine it right here. And then you can go ahead and change, let's say for example, you can smoothen it out. Maybe you can add in a bit of a feather right here, change around the ramp right here as you want. And then what you can do is go ahead and choose the output as selection itself. So I can go ahead and apply out as selection, or I can go around over here and output it out as mask. So you can see that it is masked out as per the selection, and I got this particular mask layer right here. Let me just go ahead right here, and then let's say for example, duplicate this out, and as I do that, you can see that I got the mask layer right here, and the rest of the areas are transparent. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the selection brush tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.